tornado emergency for St. Louis. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for, hey, what the fuck are you doing? Why the hell are you ignoring me? There is a big-ass gigantic fucking tornado heading your way, and you don't wanna listen to me. Anyways, moving on, until 4 a.m. At 3:23 a.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over you know what? Fuck you. All you wanna do is ignore me like a little fucking retarded 4-year-old bitch. Your life depends on me. Since you wanna make me feel like I'm talking to a wall, go ahead and fucking die. Oh my fucking god, here comes the tornado. You are gonna be so fucking sorry for your life, you little